The fire alarm just went off. We're done shopping. We were gonna head over to Star Tours, but then saw that Alien Swirling Saucers is only 20 minutes on the My Disney Experience app. And so we are back into Toy Story Land to try and get on that. So let's see what it is once we get over there. We made it on to Alien Swirling Saucers. Yes, it is. And here we go. Probably too afraid that he's gonna be sick.
Alien Swirling Saucers is for those wishing to be chosen by the claw only.
The claws are master. Claw chooses who will go and who will stay. The claw.
You're putting your arms up? Toy Story Land. We've been on Toy Story Mania. We've been on Alien Swirling Saucers. I'm very impressed by how filled this land is without being overstimulated. Like, it's just a very fluid, motion-filled, bright land. Like, there's stuff to look at around every corner, but it all feels intentionally random. So it's really good, really well done. So here's a great example of the attention to detail in this land. It looks like it's just a stroller parking sign. They could have done whatever, but no. They decided to make it look like it's hand-drawn. Okay. Here we are, Star Tours. Time to go on a little trip.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Alright, students, pick up your lightsabers. Come the other end.
Because none of us are spies, and so we're definitely not going to be getting caught.
All droid passengers. True for the mission. We droids have been to such indignity.
Hi, C-3PO. What'd you just say?
You think one of us might get the spy?
We're not spies. We're definitely not spies. There's no way any of us could be flagged as spies.
I don't know what you're talking
When the
about.
automatic doors have opened, please proceed directly.
So there's no filming on this.
To fasten the
We'll see you
restraint,
afterwards,
use the yellow strap
as we
to
are
pull the
definitely
belt
not
out.
spies.
Right
I
side of
definitely
the seat,
will not get
snap the
flagged.
belt
I
to the
definitely
buckle
will
on
not
your
have to run away to
For
avoid
your
being
safety,
caught.
remain seated throughout.
We finished our tour. We ended up on Hawk. I told you we weren't the spy. We weren't the spies. So it was good. It's a good ride. It's really neat to have an experience where everybody's kind of screaming and going through something together. So now we're in the Star Wars shop, and Pete and Mary are looking for outfits for our dogs. Size.
These are too big. Yeah, we need to, they've got to have a smaller size.
Here's what they have. Poor dogs. We just had our first rain of the trip. All of a sudden, started sprinkling, and I've heard some great words of wisdom that in Florida, once it starts sprinkling, you have about 30 seconds, and we did. So then, it pretty much rained for about 5-10 minutes, and now it's cooled off. head on over to Toy Story Mania. The crowds have really thinned out in Toy Story Land. So we're gonna go over there, hit Toy Story Mania, and then go over to our Fast Pass on the Tower of Terror. All right, let's see. No! Yes! Yes! Woo! That's right. That's right. Now before Zerg.
That makes no sense.
Because I'm awesome. Woo! It sounds like Dad won though.
Just got done with Toy Story Mania, and I did get best in car now. 171.7 was my score, so best in car. Oh yeah. Now we're heading down to hit our Tower of Terror Fast Pass. Love this ride. It's always a fun one, so let's go.
So we're now in the room ready for the pre-show on the Tower of Terror.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension.
That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you.
Okay, come on, babe. It shook. It doesn't usually shake. It shook like the brakes were failing, like 3 times. Oh, that was crazy. Oh, that was crazy. Where like it feels like the brakes were failing.
Yeah, that was so much better than last
This ride's
time.
not supposed to do this.
That was
Yeah.
Oh,
I like that.
that was awesome.
Yeah, it's like they randomized it so it's new like every time.
You have to do that again.
Okay, Toy Story Mania. We're getting ready to get on Toy Story Mania for the 3rd time today. Aidan is bent on revenge. So let's see if he can actually beat me this time.
Hey, I was up by 10 points.
Yeah, it's only the end that counts, brother. Alright, let's see. 3rd time on Toy Story Mania. Let's see. Let's see. Aidan did it! Ah! Oh, so close, buddy. So close. The face of despair.
That's a vehicle.
Oh wait, no, I didn't. Someone beat me. So Dad or Mary beat me.
300.
Yeah. Oh, that's crazy. Good game, buddy. Good game.
By 600.
All right, we'll go on it again. Let's go refuel.
Tell the people who won again.
You won. You won.
This guy.
We are gonna go over to the 50s Primetime Cafe to have dinner now, so look for that review in a separate vlog, and then we will pick this back up when we go see Fantasmic. Where we at? We're at Fantasmic. Yes. Dinner at the 50s prime time was good. We'll put that in a separate review. Now we're doing the most American thing of all American things, the wave, as we wait for Fantasmic. This is what the stadium looks like. We ended up getting fast passes. Looked like the middle sections, oh, here comes a wave. It looked like the middle sections were for people who had the dining package. Ready? Ready? Oh, no? Oh, okay, it died.
Everyone's tired now. We've done the wave, that's the third time.
We're waved out. No, we shan't be forced to wave.
We needed like a slow motion.
Let's see if they try again. Let's see.
We need some variety in here.
It's about 8:30 and this place is a good 85% full. Just to give you an idea of when you need to get here. Up. Hope springs eternal. Here we go. Let's see if it dies. Let's see. Let's see. Oh. That was our fault.
It started strong and then kind of just went.
Oh. A wave. A wave. A wave with the phones. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Renewed enthusiasm for the wave.
This land, in the name of His Majesty, King James the
Through wind and darkness, I summon thee. Speak! Let me see thy face.
Fame is thy beauty, Majesty.
It only took a couple minutes. We started moving. Now we're getting out of the theater. I don't know quite how they're going to route us out of here, but we'll. What?
The music.
Oh, what?
Hold on, the music is really loud.
We're kind of playing by ear. There was a path you could follow back into the park that I think you could probably catch the end of the Star Wars show, but we're just going to take the route. There's a direct route when you're coming out of the theater, right when you get up to stroller parking. If you take a left, you're going to see that now you're going to
have to replay all that.
You're going to go ahead and find your pathway right out of the park.
Look at Pluto just wagging his little tail, saying goodbye to the masses of people. We also saw a younger gentleman vomiting his heart out into a trash can. So, you know, both ends of the spectrum.
I'm gonna make this real short and sweet. It's a late night. We got back late from Fantasmic, and part of it's we had to switch rooms. We'll kind of go into that. I'll give you a room tour and explain all that. Hopefully tomorrow morning in the first part of day 3 vlog. But another great, fantastic day. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like it and comment down below. Let us know what you're liking about what you're seeing.
Hit the bell so you get notified of our videos every time that we upload them.
And with that, I invite you to set your imaginations free.
The fire alarm just went off.
What is this? What is this pen right here? Animal pasture thing.
Yeah, where they bring them in. So
Yeah. I guess we weren't in bed yet.
It's over there.
Yeah.
Look. There's a bunch of trucks and there's sirens. Or lights.
I'm telling you, we're in the middle of like the animal feeding paddock, and I feel like Jurassic Park.
But we can climb.
No, this is.
What do they do with the animals? This is insane.
Yeah, we'll let you know. I guess always an adventure here on the Clark family and Two Tiny Wings. We just heard our first fire truck, so
The fire alarm has now stopped. We're all kind of waiting. Oh, there are people who are rushing to the door. Really excited to re-enter a building. Up. Apparently people are entering. Back in we go.
well, that was exciting. A little half-an-hour tour of the savannah up close and personal. So I'm gonna have to sign off again. There'll probably be some sort of jump cuts with fire alarms and sirens and all the rest of it. So we will catch up with you tomorrow as we do day 3. Today was Mary Day. Tomorrow is going to be Aidan Day. We're going to start at Animal Kingdom. So we'll catch up with you then. Until then, we invite you to let's set your imaginations free.